Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your Wi-Fi password using phone. The way to see your Facebook password is quite simple. Regardless of your device, you need to install the Facebook app. Anyone can easily understand and try this method. However, before moving forward, we recommend that your linked email or mobile number is operational. There are two stages to see your password via Facebook app. Phase 1. If you remember your password, you can change it using the Account Center option. First, open your Facebook app and tap on the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Find and click Account Center. Then, select Password and Security. Then, change the password. Insert your existing password and new password. Now, select the Change Password option and you are done. The Phase 2. If you haven't remembered your current password, accessing the Account Center will not help. You are required to reset your password. Step 1. Go to Facebook app and open the login page. Alternatively, find the Change Password option under Security and Login if you are already logged in. Then, select Forgot Password. Insert your linked email or mobile number and press Continue. Open your messaging application or email and check the verification code. Now, enter the code and tap Next. Then, insert a new password and enjoy browsing your Facebook. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.